JL, hello! Happy Friday! Finally, it's Friday! It's number 6 of days of the week, right? Number 6 days of the week today! What's for lunch? You have rice, you have chicken, and you have cauliflower. Wow! Dili ikaw mag-spoon? You wanna use this spoon for the rice? And I'll put your water in here, okay? If you are thirsty, inom na lang, ha? Later na, later. You have to eat first. Na. Later na, anak. Uhaw na ikaw? Ay, sus. Uhaw na? Ay. Uhaw na sa baya. Okay. Ay. Uhaw na baya ko, baby? Wow. Oh. Ubo-ubo. Aham. Sige na, eat na. Eat more. Eat more. Okay, I'll give you spoon for your rice, okay? Okay, Mama. Can you say thank you, Mama? Psst. Good job, my baby. Ay. Aw, kamuton da ba ni mo rice?